In today's video, that toilet gasket that sits down there is leaking. Needs to be replaced. Okay. Alright. Remove the water line. Of course, you'll see that I've already emptied and dried out the bowl. Now I've got to remove the screws. And let's see, they're under here. See? These are only on hand tight. There we go. So I've got the screws off. Look at that. It's just dry rotted. It's disgusting, gross. But at least this is why you gotta replace this. Whoa! That screw just rusted right apart. Look at that. Ugh. Well, decided to get some rubber gloves because this is nasty. Okay, let's lift it straight up. See? That's pretty easy. Look under there. Get all the water out. I'm going to take this outside, rinse it out, get all that black crap, and I'll come back and clean. Oh shoot, look at there. Somebody forgot to paint behind the toilet. Alright, just got back outside where I washed this thing off, inside and out. And this was on the inside, you know, it's the flapper. And you see it was screwed in to the bottom like this, you know, on the inside, and then put this on there, and then this gasket goes right there. And you can see this thing is just, this is disgusting. It's all dry rotted, no good, which is why it was leaking. That's still good. This is still good, the plastic here. The flapper, it's good, but I'll replace it anyway. So when we get all this back together, the toilet should be in good shape. But for now, I'm just going to clean things up, go to the hardware store, get the parts I need, and I'll be back. Okay, just clean this part down here. Don't really need to clean it. I mean, it's gonna be hidden. No one will ever see it. And it's not very dirty to begin with. But there's still a little something here, so I like to clean when I do my work. To check, sadly, I don't have any matching paint to cover that up. Oh man, I wish I did. That's gonna drive me crazy. All right, well, I'm back into Ace Hardware, and also had some kills out in the shed, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that to paint this wall. Not so much because, you know, I care about the beauty of it, which I do, but more importantly, this paint, it was anti-mold paint, or it had a mold inhibitor, mildew inhibitor, and I just want to make sure that behind the toilet, where it does tend to get pretty wet. Okie dokie. Put some paint on the wall. I think it looks fine. All right, now let's see what we got here from the Ace Hardware. So I went to go get the gasket for this thing, and this is what it looks like. It's a really kind of a spongy. It's not very rubbery. It's more like kind of spongy. It's delicate. What it does is on the bottom, you put this thing through. On the bottom, it kind of covers up the nut like that, and we're good to go. But it turns out buying all these things separately was getting pretty costly. So I bought a kit and this and the bolts. So we'll put all that together on the tank, set the tank in place, and see how we did. This is what the new one looks like. Comes with a flapper, that's why I did this. Because the flapper was $6. Just the flapper. And this gasket here was like $4. And all of that was cheaper to buy this whole thing, because this was all $10. Anyway, it was cheaper to buy this than to each of these parts, these two parts individually. So anyway, got this. I'll replace that with the new one. Why not? On the back are some instructions for how to do it. Here are the bolts. New washer. Here's the tank. Clean. See how clean that is on the inside? It's beautiful. And now, take this thing, stick it in here like this, just like that. Push it all the way in. Grab the nut. And so there's a gift. Okay. Give it a good. Okay, let's flush this sucker. Oh, the flapper didn't stay up. Yeah, this arm might be too. It's not giving a good long enough throw to pull that sucker up. And I'm thinking the only thing I can do is bend it, because right here on the tip there was more. It's gone. Put this right here. Oh god, here we go. Give it a little bend right there. It kind of brings the throw a little more. Hopefully that'll be enough. We'll see in a second here. Alright, we're back. And we're looking around for leaks and whatnots. It's been about 20 minutes. I don't see. I don't see a single job. Very good. Now let's see how that chain, if I fix that. Yep. All right. Fantastic. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button or flush it.